Want to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank? Let's transform your walls with an easy DIY wall paneling project. Step 1. Measure and cut the panels. Start by measuring your wall accurately. Use a reliable tape measure to get precise dimensions. It's crucial to measure both the height and width of the wall, ensuring you account for any irregularities or obstacles like windows and doors. Once you have your measurements, transfer them onto your panel material. MDF or wood are both excellent choices depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for. MDF is great for a smooth, modern finish, while wood can add a rustic or traditional touch. Carefully mark your measurements on the panels using a pencil and a straight edge to ensure straight lines. Double-check your measurements before cutting to avoid any mistakes. Use a saw appropriate for your material. A circular saw works well for straight cuts, while a jigsaw is better for curves or intricate shapes. Always wear safety gear, including goggles and gloves, to protect yourself while cutting. Once your panels are cut to size, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Prep the wall. Prep your wall by sanding it smooth and applying primer for better adhesion. Step 3. Attach the panels. This is a crucial step in ensuring your wall looks polished and professional. Start by applying a generous amount of adhesive to the back of each panel. Make sure to spread it evenly to avoid any gaps or bubbles. Once the adhesive is applied, press the panel firmly against the wall. If you prefer a quicker method, you can use a nail gun. Position the nail gun at the top edge of the panel and secure it with nails, working your way down. This will ensure the panel is tightly attached to the wall. After securing the panel, use a level to check that it is perfectly straight. Adjust as necessary to achieve a seamless look. Repeat this process for each panel, taking your time to ensure accuracy. Properly attached panels will not only look great but will also be more durable and long-lasting. Step 4. Fill the gaps in sand. Fill the gaps with wood filler, then sand down for a seamless look. Step 5. Paint or stain. Finally, paint or stain your panels. Dark tones add drama, while light colors keep things fresh. In just a few hours, you've transformed your space with custom wall paneling. This simple yet impactful project not only adds a touch of elegance, but also a personal flair to your home. Imagine the compliments you'll receive from friends and family when they see your handiwork. But why stop here? There are countless other DIY projects that can elevate your living space. From creating unique shelving units to designing your own artwork, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this project and want to discover more creative home hacks, make sure to like this video and follow our channel. We regularly share tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your home. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a detailed list of all the materials and tools I used in this project. Everything you need is just a click away. Thank you for watching and happy decorating. Your dream home is just a DIY project away.